Hello guys, welcome back to my another video, and my name is Avril, and I'm going to tell today how to open a PDF in storage. Okay, so let's begin the video. First you need an application Office. You just type in Play Store. Okay, OFFICE Office. Okay, then you just install the application. Okay, then you have to just select the PDF. I'm going to select the PDF. So this is the PDF. Okay, this is the PDF, and open it from the same application which you have downloaded now. Okay, Office application. Then you have to click on this pencil option if the PDF is open. Okay, I have click on pencil option, then click on save as, then this device, then storage, then Android. You can paste here also, but I am not pasting here. Okay, I have click on Android, then you have to click on data. You can paste here also, but I am clicking on data. I will click on data, and I am going to open the folder com.whatsapp. Okay, then cache, then GIF. You can paste cache device notes also. Okay, but I am open GIF. Then you can paste here also. Here also you can paste here. Okay, but I am opening another folder to paste. Okay, so I have two folders. Okay, GIF cache and store, GIF preview cache. Okay, so GIF cache and store I am opening, or you can GIF preview cache also. I am GIF cache and store opening, and then you click on save. Okay, from here you can change the name also, and from please don't click on the this black square option. Okay, if you click on the black square option, your file name will be deleted. I show you. I have click on this, and my file name is deleted, and the black square is also removed. So I am going to save the name. Okay, what is the name of the PDF? Because this is my school work, so I am articles written work PDF. Okay, then click on save. Don't click on black option. I have clicked on save, and then click on this tick option. Then your file will be saved. Then your PDF will be saved. You can see the PDF. Okay, then you will open the application. I'm going to open the application, Office application, and here is my PDF. Sorry, another PDF. Articles written work PDF. Okay, then I'm going to open this. Then this will show on your screen. This can also be found in the storage. So I'm clicking on this file option, this device option, storage option, Android option, data option, then com.whatsapp option, cache voice, GIF option, GIF cache and store option. Then here is my PDF. You can see, you can open from here also, and you can share also. I am opening this PDF from here. Then the PDF will be open. Okay, thank you for being in my video at the end of the video. Okay, so bye bye.